In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a random name selector on Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a fun and interactive way to choose names at random for group activities, presentations, or even just for fun. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First things first, we'll need to open up the Microsoft PowerPoint application. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch PowerPoint on your computer. This is where the magic is going to happen. Once you've got PowerPoint open, you'll want to select a presentation. Don't worry if you don't have one ready. You can start a new blank presentation for this purpose. Just click on that new or existing presentation and you'll get a blank canvas to work with. Now that we have a presentation open, the next step is to create a list of names. These are the names you'll want to randomly select from. To do this, create a text box on your slide and type out each name you'd like to include. Make sure all the names are in a column, as this setup will be most effective for what we need. It's important to keep the list neat and tidy, so feel free to adjust the font, size and alignment to your liking. With your list of names ready, it's time to add some animation. Navigate to the top of the window where you see the menu options and click on the Animations tab. This tab is the gateway to adding dynamic effects to your presentation, making it more engaging. Once you're in the Animations tab, you'll see a plethora of options. For this particular task, you'll want to apply the spin animation. This specific effect gives your text a rotating motion, simulating a random selection as the names spin around. To apply the spin effect, click on your text box containing the names and then select Spin from the animation options. You can customize the duration and speed of the spin in the animation settings. Adjust it until you're satisfied with how it looks. A quicker spin might be good for dramatic effect, while a slower one can add suspense. And there you have it, your random name selector is ready. By pressing the slideshow button, you can watch your name spin around and land on a random choice. You can try hitting the spacebar to activate the spin and enjoy seeing who gets selected in a fun and visually appealing manner. This method can be adapted to suit various needs, whether you're a teacher selecting students for participation or organising a game night with friends. I hope this tutorial helps you create an engaging tool for your next PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching and have fun spinning through your names.